Welcome back to Landager. If you're migrating your property management data over to our platform, you likely have tenants who moved in months or even years ago. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to onboard those historical leases and backdate their payments so your analytics are perfectly accurate from day one. Before creating a lease, you just need two things in the system: your property unit and your tenant's profile. I have unit G1 ready to go, and I've already added Jesse Williams into my tenant list. Let's head over to the Leases tab and click New Lease. Jesse moved into Unit G1 4 months ago. Normally, software makes backdating a nightmare, but Landager is built to handle chronological transitions gracefully. I'll select the Unit G1, and the tenant gets auto-selected because we link the tenant to this unit while creating them, and then we set the initial start date to 4 months ago. Watch what happens here. Because Landager is looking at a date in the past, it instantly recognizes this as an active historical lease. If a previous tenant was occupying the unit back then, checking Terminate Existing simply tells the system to neatly close the former tenant's ledger the day before Jesse moved in, guaranteeing your reporting has zero gaps. If Jesse wasn't moving in until next week, Landager would categorize this lease as scheduled, keeping your unit safely vacant today and automatically moving Jesse in on the exact morning his lease begins. Then add the remaining data as required. You can even add the photos of the unit that you have currently, so you'll know exactly what it looked at the starting of the lease period. Yes, you can fully rely on us. I'll hit save. The lease is officially tracked. Now, what about those 3 months of rent Jesse already paid before we joined Landager? We want that revenue reflected in our charts. Simply navigate to the Payments tab. From here, you have total manual control over Jesse's ledger. You can easily generate the invoices for the past 4 months and mark them as paid. We leave the generation of past payments manually in your hands rather than auto-generating them, because every landlord has varying late fees, partial payments, or concessions from their past history they might want to enter. And finally, if John ever decides to move out early, just hit Terminate. Landager's engine will instantly freeze the lease's end date to today, delete his future pending invoices, and automatically place your unit back on the market as vacant. It's the domino effect, protecting your data integrity from top to bottom. And that's it. Your historical data is cleanly imported, and your revenue charts are beautifully populated. Try it yourself. And if you have any questions, our support team is always ready to help. Thanks for choosing Landager